Hey everybody, Jared here from Heat Press Nation, joined by a very special guest, my friend Joe Piazza.
What's happening? Thank you, Heat Press Nation, for having us on. I'm Joe with Caesar North America. What are we talking about today?
Well, today we're showing everybody how you can make products for the workforce. Now, one of the biggest misconceptions, especially among those who are new to the heat press industry, is that you can only make t-shirts, and I'm sure you've come across that, right?
All the time.
Yeah, so what we want to show all of our viewers today is that there's so much more that you can do, especially if you're running a small business. There are things that you can offer, customized things that you can offer to small businesses like yourself. So let's kind of just show them off here.
These are some great examples, though, I gotta say. What are they? So we got things ranging from a chef's hat to some nurse scrubs, huh?
Yeah, we have a little bit of everything here, which I think is really cool. We just kind of wanted to show the broad spectrum of places where you can sell to customers. You can make new customers in these new markets in the small business world. So like, for example, right here, I have a really cool apron, and I'm actually gonna put it on. So with this apron,
I always gotta check the fabrics. 100% cotton.
That's one thing. If you're in the heat press world, you're always looking at the fabric tag. So one thing that you could be doing is you could be selling customized aprons to your local bakery, your local coffee shop, you know.
It even goes along with the hat. You gonna wear this too?
It doesn't fit. I have a big head. Sorry. That's for display.
Yes.
But you know, there's lots of great things like this chef hat. I mean, there's so many opportunities that you guys have to make money that people often miss. You know, everybody from the kitchen staff up front to the back, they all need customized gear, and you could be the one providing that with your heat press and with your vinyl cutter and with
Easy PSV. So the brand new adhesive vinyl that we have at Caesar North America that we just came out with just adds more to that business as well. But going back to what you're saying, you didn't even need to stop there. Even decorating garments for people that are in the front of your restaurant, you can even decorate shirts for your customers to walk away with. Extra advertisement there, that's always great. But like I was looking at the fabric there of what it is before you press on it is a good way to determine which heat transfer vinyl you're gonna use. So here we have quite a few different things, but I noticed this one right here. So this is a nylon jacket, and we get this question all the time, but what would you use heat transfer vinyl wise to decorate a nylon? And a lot of people get deterred from that because they don't think anything's gonna work. But in fact, well, what we have on here is Easy Weed Extra. So this product right here is Easy Weed Extra. What's on here is Easy Weed. So the difference is for a product like this, a fabric like this, the material itself has a stronger adhesive than what's on there. So if you have a finicky product like this that you wanna decorate, you can still give it a try. Like I said, Easy Weed Extra would be your go-to in regards to that. It looks like Easy Weed was done here as well as the hat. So,
and if your brand demands that extra sparkly touch, there's a lot of other stuff that our good buddies over here at Caesar have, such as.
So right here, when that 5 o'clock rolls around, you wanna bust out that wine. We have decorated this with the rose gold glitter HTV. So this right here was done on a canvas bag. So that is a different application, but even glitter itself has a very strong adhesive. So another product or another heat transfer vinyl that you might want to suggest using when you're kind of questioning what the fabric is made of. So this is a perfect example here.
Exactly, and then we have everything, like we said, ranging from restaurants to, you know, someone who's working outdoors, all the way to, we have some nurses scrubs right here. This is for a nurse in training, just in case anyone decided to wear it. That way they don't sneak into, you know, the back of a hospital or anything. But you know, we have some work scrubs right here. So you can do literally everything. The medical field, the food industry, there are so many businesses that do need uniforms, that do need local suppliers, and you can be that local supplier. So we just wanted to take a couple minutes out of our day, out of your day, to share with you guys a couple great ideas, and we'd love to see what you're working on. So whenever you make something, be sure to tag us at Heat Press Nation, at Caesar North America. I know you guys are always sharing on Instagram all the great products.
So we love to see what our distributors like Heat Press Nation are doing with the products. So anything you share with them, you can share with us. We are always there to help with technical sides, any questions you have. Like we mentioned earlier, the Easy PSV is out, and you can do stuff like what you see on the apron there. And if you wanted to put it up on the wall like that, that is stuff that you can do with that. So it's only gonna broaden your business. So
Yeah, so like, and with the Easy PSV, I know you said that you have some customers who are planning to use it to put their store hours on the front of their businesses.
Absolutely. Like
window
any
decorations.
businesses that you see store hours in the front on the glass, that can be done with Easy PSV. And we're gonna have glitter Easy PSV, so
Nice.
that even if you wanted to give the illusion like you see on this textile, but you wanted to put it on a wall, or if you wanted to put it on a book, or if you wanted to put it on your car window, that's stuff that you can do with it.
That's awesome. So I'm super stoked about all these great things. I hope we've inspired you guys to create something. Again, be sure to tag us, be sure to tag Caesar. Use the hashtag HPN Creators on all social media, whether it's Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, anything that you guys might be doing. Facebook, of course. And again, thank you guys so much for taking a couple minutes out of your day to share with us. Joe, hey, thank you so much for coming out.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
Awesome. Well, we'll see you guys.
Have a good one.